Here in the Midwest, the winter is setting in, and it has become abundantly clear that we need to raise up the front end of this. What we're going to do today is change the spring shims, because I think by adding just another inch, I'll be good to go. I've got a little bit of turning radius now, so with a little bit that the extra spring shim adds, that should be good. Okay, this is our before. Okay, these wheels are actually off of the 190, and I can use them if I've got my 15mm spacers. Let's get this out of the way. Since I have cut this spring so much, there's not much tension on it, as you can see. The springs that I'm currently running on here are off of the C36 AMG, which is why the tops are flat. If these were actual springs from the 99, the tops would look like this, and the spring shims would look like this. You can see there's the recessed portion, so it can fit right there. But since we're running the ones off of a 95 C36 AMG, you can see the insides are flat. Old style, new style. So there's the old one, there's the new one. That should give me enough ride height increase that I should be all right with my turning radius. All that turning radius. It feels like a monster truck now. Lots of clearance. That's weird to be able to pull in the garage without scraping. Very strange. Here's the Christmas card.